Hi, I'm Tyler Russell here with Park Superior Sales, and today I'm here with a 2008 Eagle Coach Cadillac DTS Kingsley. This hearse comes equipped with flag mounts and flag staffs, as well as nice white wall tires and chrome wheels. This hearse has a beautiful silver body paint, as well as a full tuxedo vinyl top. And what's nice about these Landau panels too is you can see it also matches the rest of your hearse with that silver paint. Looks really nice. Opening up to the rear load door, you can see it opens nice and wide, giving your pallbearers plenty of room to work with. And it also has your 90 degree rollers, which makes it very easy to put the casket in or roll the casket out. As you can tell, this hearse doesn't come equipped with a built-in urn carrier. However, please ask us about these portable urn carriers to help take advantage of cremation today. What's great about these is you can also get your pallbearers involved, each one taking one of these handles and walking it down the center of the church like any other traditional ceremony. And it rolls. And you lock it in with your beer pin up front, and that's it. Opening the church truck area, you can see that it's a closed church truck. However, it has a flap up top here, which will allow you to stand your church truck upright or lay it down, whichever you prefer. And to the right there, you'll also see your stainless area. Another fantastic thing about this car is the all-composite body. With the all-composite body, it really saves you money over time with corrosion repairs or rust repairs that happen to the normal steel doors. Eagle has implemented the composite body as well as the door 2s and the load door as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like any more information on this 2008 Coach Kingsley, please give us a call at 1-800-229-5008 or visit us online at parksuperior.com. Thank you.